Okay, welcome to string manipulation in the Java subsector, I guess I'll call it, because we didn't we wanted to split it into like two different sections for Python and Java. So welcome. Uh, do I just start? I'm not. Uh,
Oh,
can't.
just as a reminder, in the previous lesson, we told people to go make a Dmosh account. And also how to
Replit
make a REPL account so you can start coding. So, Jake, you want to show them like how to do that like really quickly?
really quickly, sure.
Yeah.
Ignore all my random stuff at the top. I was doing a project. So basically, you can go to repl.it and create an account here. I'm already signed in. Ignore this. Yep, you just click log in the top right, and then you can sign in with click sign up, and then just connect your Google account, or you can just manually create your account here. That's that, and then dmodge. You just go to dmodge.ca. We're just gonna log out, and you can click login, or you can sign up, and then just register an account. Blah blah blah. Yeah, that's that. So today we're gonna be talking about string manipulation. Yay! What? Frick. Why is it doing this? Why is it doing this? Okay. So what is a string? A string is a sequence of characters or letters. And an example would be hello. It's a sequence of letters, HELLO. And to declare or create a string, to create a string object, you would write string. The name of the string is equal to the content in brackets. So an example would be string greeting equals to hello. Each letter in a string is labeled with an index. So on the right here, oh, you can't see my mouse. On the right here, you'll have H, which is index 0, and then E is index 1, L is 2, the second L is 3, and the O is 4. With each letter, you can like get it with the string name dot charat the position. So since it starts at 0, there are 5 positions, but since it starts at 0, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the last position. Strings can be combined together to create a new string. So if you have hello and world, you'll get hello world. Substrings. So substrings are a sequence of consecutive characters in a string. So basically, a string that is present inside another string. Uh, so like substrings in Minecraft, for example, you'll have mine, which is the first 4 characters. You'll have craft, which is these 5 characters. And you'll have raft, and they don't actually have to be real English words. You can just substring any part. So you'll have M, you'll have cra, and you'll have ein. Yeah, you get the point. So to compare strings, this is just off topic, but it's pretty important. Not really off topic, but it's off this train of substrings and stuff. Sometimes, due to how Java works, to compare strings, A equals B might work, but the safest way to check if 2 strings are equal is A dot equals B, as the way equal checks. It's a bit different from how dot equals checks, and this sometimes might not give you the answer you desire. I feel like I'm tripping on my own words. So finding substrings. So inside the word, or inside the string startle, find substrings that are also English words. Put them in the chat. Uh, anyone gonna put something in chat? Anyone? Start, yes. Star, yeah. Art, yeah. Tar, yes. Those are all Tart, yeah. I definitely meant to show that. And there's one more, le. That's a French word. English, English, please. There's one more, and it's just ah. Yeah, so those are all substrings inside Startle that are also English words, but yeah, it's just an example. To get substrings from a string, there's a special method. It's what? Oh, it's scam. Frick. No. No. That's the wrong button. Okay, to get substrings from a string, there is str.substring, and then the input to the method is left index and the right index. The left index in .substring is inclusive, so and the right index is exclusive. So basically, if you say substring 05, it'll take position 0 all the way to position 4 because the right side is exclusive. So you'll get banan as your substring. For practice, what are you going to get for str.substring25? I mean, you can like type it in chat. I think that's like your only method of communication unless you want to turn on your microphone. What are you going to get if you put in str.substring25? Nan. Good job, Kevin. Answer is nan. Yep, correct. And another one, how would you get Nana from str? There's al. What? 2-6? Yes. That is correct. Wait, Kevin, what do you mean there's an L? It's Kelvin. Oh frick, I'm blind. Sorry. I'm sorry. I can't see. My eyes. What did you mean by there's an L? Okay, whatever. Just continue on with that then. Okay, so, well, finding substrings. There is a command that finds substrings, the index of substrings, which is why it's str.indexof, and the substring. So as an example here, you have str.index of NA, and since this is the first occurrence of NA, it'll give you 2, right? Because that's where it starts. And if str.indexof does not find, if it does not find NA within the string, so let's say I have apple. If I had apple as my string and I did str.index of NA, it would give me -1 because it's not found. So as practice, what is the index of BA in bananas? 0? Wrong. It's yeah. Yep, it's -1 because it's case sensitive. This is not capital. And what is the index of AN? My best moments, yes. What is the index of AN within bananas? 1? Yes, correct. Wow, it was a big brain class. Okay, so replacing strings, you have str.replace is your method, and you'll have 2 inputs. It's string s1 and string s2. And what this does is it replaces each and every occurrence of s1 with s2. And it gives you a new string. But you have to reassign it to your string because that's how Java works, and declaring objects. Yeah, doesn't change the original string unless you assign it back. Right? This is just a temporary string when you do str.replace. And it's not stored in str. And so practice. Bananas.replace Anna with what do you get? Anyone feel free to answer in the chat. Banas, yes, good job. Banas, because you'll replace A and A with A. But then through that iteration, the only letters left are N, A, S. So you wouldn't have like any other things replaced. If you ran this command again with banas here, you'll get bas. But yeah, through this iteration, you'll have banas as your output. And trollolo dot replace olo with o. What would you get? Trollo? Yes. Good job. Yeah, it's the same idea as above. You would replace OLO with O, and then you'll have LO left. You wouldn't be able to replace that again. So yeah, be careful with that. It's kind of annoying when you like try and calculate in your head. I know. So getting words from sentences. So you'll use str.split for this if the words are separated by some obvious separator. So here they're separated by spaces. So you'll have str.split, and that'll give you all the words. I love bananas. Yes. And basically dot split gives you, it returns you an array of strings, or in this case, I don't know why we wrote words, but an array of strings that you can use that can be assigned. Oh, frick, I'm tripping over myself. It returns you an array of strings that have been separated by spaces. But yeah, okay. So words to sentences, you can use string dot join your join the string you want to use to join together the strings in the array and the actual string array itself. And so this method basically takes an array of strings, which is your second input, I guess, and returns a string consisting of words separated by your first input, which is the space. So in this case, I love bananas is put back together after you split it and then joined it back. So lowercase and uppercase. So this is a method where you can just change all of the characters or letters in a string to uppercase or lowercase. Keep in mind that if you have like a period or a colon, it's not going to change because those aren't like alphabetical letters. And so if you have Albert Fan Club with like capitalized with camel cased words, if you do .2 lowercase, everything's going to be lowercase. If you .2 uppercase, everything's going to be uppercase. And basically, in this code, he took the very first character of Albert Fan Club, which is going to be A. And if you want to .2 uppercase a character, you do character .2 uppercase, and then you put the character inside the brackets here as an input, and then you'll get the output, which makes sense. Yeah. And so string practice, it's these are some questions you can do. I'll be like solving one like during this class, but like you can go try out the other ones when we post the slides on the Google Classroom. Which one was it? I was gonna do this one, I think. Yeah, J2 should be simple. So if you want to know what the other questions are in advance, here are the the menu is so annoying. You'll have Americanadian, J2. You'll have cyclic shifts, J4. You'll have cold compress, J3, and you'll have happy or sad, J2. And I think I'm supposed to, yeah. So I'll just log in. Oh no, you know my password, it's ... Okay, so I'll be solving this one live. If you want to go do any of the other ones yourself right now, then you can go try that. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly solve this one, and I'm gonna duplicate. So you have the question, and you have the thing. Okay, that's trash code. That's nothing to do with what you're supposed to do. This is not Trident. this is not the right. I don't know, but it's just saved Trident's code into my. Okay, so import. Wait, what? Import java.util dot that, right? Here you'll have what did I need to do? So basically, Americanadian, you take a string input until it says quit. So that's why is my mouse so slow now? I don't understand. Oh well. You have a while loop. If you want to follow along, you can. If you want to go try it yourself, you can. Just gonna solve one of these online, on camera, I guess. You can put it like that. Wait a minute. You'll have string inputs that end in OR, and then the word has more than 4 letters and has a suffix consisting of constant followed by or. You may assume it is an American spelling. So yeah, cool. If, let's see, string input equals to se dot next to get the line. And then, why the heck is that? If input dot equals quit, then break. Then break, because I think that's the exit. Yep. When the user types quit, the program should terminate. Yeah, I don't like my mouse being so slow. I don't know why it's doing this. Probably because I'm presenting. If input equals quit, you just break. And then else, you'll have, you don't really need an else. You can write everything else in the main. If, so you'll get the, let's see, you'll get the length. If input dot length is greater than or equal to 4, then you continue. And then has a suffix consisting of a constant followed by or. So this is substring now. You'll take string, or I can take character. It doesn't matter. String consonant check is equal to input.substring. And what I substring is input.length minus 3 and input.length minus 2. And basically this will give me the frickin' menu at the pop-up. Can I get rid of this zoom menu? I can't alternate tabs. So basically I'm getting, with that line, I'm getting that letter. And then if it's a consonant, so A, E, I, O, U, Y, if consonant check dot equals, we don't use equal equals because it's a string and I cannot type. Equals A, and then or crap, I've been doing Python. A, E, I. This is a good example of brute force. But I don't think there's any other more efficient way to do this other than creating an array and searching through that, but that's just for code neatness. If it's equal to one of those, then you just system.out.println, you don't do anything to it, you print back your input. And else, this means that that letter is a consonant, then you take result equals to, that means you take out the last two letters and str.substring and change it to or. Substring 0 to substring dot length. Oh frick, what am I doing? Input dot length. I don't know why I put str there. Input dot length minus 2. 1, 2, yeah, 3. Should be 3. Plus your change, hour. Yes, that should be fine. Wait a minute. I'm thinking that might be wrong. It's probably wrong. My brain is not good. System.out.println result. Did not mean to right click. And that technically should give you, see, you can either code it in here, but then I don't want to risk losing my code, so I'm just gonna sign up with my Gmail into Replit and then copy it into here. Add new. You add Java, you just name it whatever, create REPL. Here, connected, just do that. And then let's say we run it. Right. What do we want to put? Color? Oh, fun. Hold up. Error starts of an illegal expression. Plus out. Oh, frick, I'm stupid. Big brain moments. I'm not putting semicolons after my sentences. What do you mean, haha? My brain isn't functioning properly today. I've been doing too much Python. Wait, illegal. What's so, see, my weakness is spotting mistakes from copy and paste. Other than that, the code should work. Huh? Right. Okay, cool. So if I type in color, it's going to cooler. Okay, so I did do that wrong. So this is actually -2. I actually took out the L by accident. So let's stop that, run it again. Let's see. Nope, that's the wrong one. I can't see the tab names because Zoom is covering everything. Let's just copy and paste. And you cannot copy and paste. Thanks a lot, REPL. So just put in some sample test cases. Color works. Taylor works. 4. Just should give you 4. I don't know why I did that. Else system dot out, not our. This is not communism. Input. And okay, that should be the whole thing done. I trust in my coding skills, so I will just copy and paste this. Zoom menu, go away. This Zoom menu is actually so annoying. You have to like wait for it to drop down and then go back up. Okay, that should be what the. That should what? Hold up. Huh? Wait, what is this? Okay, let's just. What the heck happened? All the alignment just got screwed. Let's try that again, and it's still screwed. Why? Why is this? Why? I don't understand. I swear it wasn't like this before when I tested it.
It's okay. It's not Python. The
Okay.
indentation doesn't matter.
That's true. Oh well, it's just annoying to look at mostly. Test case answers wrong. Okay, I see the problem. I see a very big problem. Take out the equal sign. It has to be greater than 4. What? A, E, I, O, U. I checked for A, E, I, O, U. I check. Does formatting matter when you run the code though? It depends, right? If you have like in the middle of a string declaration, you just do that. That's most likely not going to work. And if you break a keyword like string, right? But other than that, Java is a bit more lenient on improper formatting than Python and other languages. A, E, I, O, U. Am I checking the wrong letter here?
Try checking if the last 2 letters have to be OR. I'm not sure if you have to do that, but
I don't, not in this, I don't think you have to do that, but it did mention you should do that. But the problem was it clicked on floor, and I checked for O, so I'm probably checking the wrong letter. Hold up. Replit taking its damn time. Floor. No. That's a problem. That's not supposed to happen. Input -2. Should be that letter, right? Fine. Input, yeah. Wait.
it should
-3.
be.
I think it's checking for the O right now. -4, -3. I don't think this is gonna fix it. I don't think this is gonna fix it. My brain is just dying right now. Nope, it's not. All right, guys, welcome to debugging day 1. We'll be here for a year. Consonant check, and we'll just, let's see which this is checking. Oh, hold up. All right, guys, so here is where you see bad mistakes have happened. I'm checking for uppercase. All of them are lowercase. This is very big brain and definitely definitely an intended mistake to show you the process of debugging. 3, 2, okay. Now is when it will work. Trust me. Now. Yes.
Yay.
Beautiful answer correct. Yay. Enthusiasm. We solved the coding problem on Dmodge. Whoa. And yeah, that's basically how coding works for strings. So through this, you saw me use substring a decent amount. You saw me do dot equals and watch me mess up my code and debug because that was definitely intentional. And yeah, that's about it from me.